I'm glad you're here so I can tell you to put this damn thing down for 1 second and think about becoming a prolific creator instead of just being a passive consumer. You see, technology is a fantastic tool, but a terrible master. And I want you to start learning to use this thing the way it's meant to be used to express your unique story, your unique human voice, to be able to reach the entire world. And to share your story, to share your best lessons. So I literally want you to put this phone down after this video is finished. I want you to grab a journal or a piece of paper, and I want you to write down 10 ideas, 10 stories, 10 memories from your life of the things that you learned, of the things that made you cry, of the things that made you laugh, of the things that transformed your life and your work. And the next time you pick up this device, I want you to share these valuable memories, stories, and lessons with the rest of the world. The next time you pick this up, I want you to pick it up as a prolific creator and not a passive consumer.